Hi everyone, you are watching my motivational video series YMC for you. In this video, I am explaining how you can boost your mood in this lockdown and approaching recession. All of us around the world today are in a lockdown state and we all are worrying about the approaching recession. How we can deal with it? Prolonged isolation can create a negative impact on our well-being and state of mind. I see many individuals having mood swings, acting in panic mode, operating in hassle, giving knee-jerk reactions. This is resulting in myself attitude, high tempers and insensitivity towards others. We all are social animals. We get energy from each other. I am giving you 7 guidelines to boost and uplift your mood. This will help you to use your time effectively and deal with recession effectively. Guideline 1. Utilize your time. Plan your day. Plan your weeks. Stick to your plan and execute it. During the day, utilize your time to stay connected with your relatives, your friends, your peers, your juniors, your seniors, and your suppliers. Guideline 2. Nurture your hobbies and refine your skills. Introspect yourself. Pursue your hobbies. You can also pursue new hobbies like learning instruments, music, painting, sketching, gardening, or playing with your children. This will keep you involved and boost your morale. Guideline 3. Learn new things. Learning new things is very important for each one of us. If we don't want to be fossilized, you must invest in learning. Learning new things will give you an edge over others when the clouds of recession disappears. Guideline 4. Bask in sun. No exposure to sunlight and enclosing yourself in closed doors over a prolonged period may make you feel lethargic and lousy. You are at a risk of depression. Sunlight exposure improves your mood and it affects our mental state and alertness. Sunlight also helps strengthening the immunity since regular sun exposure is one of the best way to activate vitamin D in our bodies. So, bask yourself in sun. Guideline 5. Listen to music. Listening to music is a valid therapy which reduces depression and anxiety, as well as improves mood, self-esteem and quality of life. Music improves your cognitive performance and reduces stress. It improves your memory and helps you to manage pain. Music improves motivation and mood. It reduces symptoms of depression. It improves endurance and performance. Incorporate music in your everyday life. You might find more motivated, happy and relaxed as a result of imbibing music in your life. So, refresh yourself with music. Guideline 6. Exercise. Moving our body and doing exercises changes our brain's chemistry. Lot of chemical reactions that lead to happiness. Emotions is created by motions. You have lot of extra time now, so if you want to be cheerful and boost your mood, move your body, do some exercise. Exercise and move towards happiness. Guideline number 7. Stay away from negativity. Many of us are watching news like some kind of a cricket score. I understand that we are curious about numbers and impact, but don't consume negative media 24/7 and feel depressed and start acting in panic mode. Be compassionate and sensitive towards infected people. They are real people suffering and not just numbers. It is pretty simple. Stimulus activates our senses and triggers a thought. Stimulus leads to thoughts. Thoughts leads to emotions. Emotions leads to state of mind. Negative news, fake messages increases unnecessary fear, worry, panic in your mind and it spoils your mood. Be wise to ignore them. Laughter is the best medicine. So to summarize, I will say, utilize your time. Time is precious. Nurture your hobbies and refine your skills. Learn new things and stay relevant for future. Bask in sun to regain energy. Listen to music to refresh yourself. Exercise to stay fit. Stay away from negativity, laugh and enjoy life. Thank you so much for watching. Stay strong, stay safe. If you want us to conduct inspirational workshops in your company, your community, your institutions, do call us and we can do customized workshops to address your requirement. Our contact details are Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.